If you want to install multiple games on Steam the easy way, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. Whether you're setting up a brand new PC, rebuilding your library after a fresh install, or just trying to get a bunch of games ready at once, Steam makes it simple once you know where to look. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get started, what to click, and how to manage your Steam account so you can handle multiple games without confusion. And if this guide helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Steam and make sure you're signed into the correct account. This is important because your game library, downloads, and ownership are all tied to that account. If you have more than one Steam account, double check that you're using the one that actually owns the games you want to install. Once you're logged in, take a moment to make sure Steam is fully updated and that you're connected to a stable internet connection, since you may be downloading several games at once. Now, the easiest way to install multiple games on Steam is to go to your library. At the top of the Steam window, click Library and you'll see your full list of owned games. From here, you can begin selecting the games you want to install one by one. If a game is not installed yet, it will usually show an install button instead of play. Click Install on the first game you want, choose the install location if prompted, and then confirm your selection. After that, repeat the same process for the next game. Steam lets you queue multiple downloads, so you don't have to wait for each one to finish before starting the next. This is especially useful if you're downloading several smaller games or if you want to line everything up before stepping away from your computer. Each game you select will be added to the download queue, and Steam will handle them automatically. If you want to install even faster, you can use filters in your library to find uninstalled games more quickly. For example, you can sort your games by ready to play, installed, or not installed depending on what you need. This makes it much easier to find the titles you haven't added to your system yet. Just click into each game, press install, and Steam will keep building the queue. Another helpful tip is to pay attention to your storage drive. If you have multiple drives on your PC, Steam may ask you where you want to install the game. Choose the drive with enough space, and if possible, use a drive that already has a lot of free storage available. That way, you don't run into installation problems halfway through. If you're installing a large number of games, it's a good idea to check your available space first so you don't have to stop and restart later. Once your games are queued, you can monitor progress in the Downloads section. Steam will show you which game is currently installing, which ones are waiting, and how much time is left. If your internet speed is limited, Steam may download one game at a time, which is normal. The rest will stay in the queue until the current download is finished. So even though you're installing multiple games, Steam still manages the order for you in the background. If you need to pause or prioritize certain games, you can usually do that from the download screen. This is helpful if one game is more important than the others, or if you want to install a smaller title first while waiting for a larger one later. Steam gives you a lot of flexibility, so you can control the order without losing your progress. Now, if your goal is to install multiple games on Steam for later use, the best habit is to organize your library before downloading. Decide which games you actually want ready now, and then queue those first. That way, you're not wasting bandwidth or storage on titles you don't need right away. It also helps keep your library neat and easy to manage. To recap, the basic process is simple. Open Steam, go to your library, select each game you want, click install, choose the storage location, and let Steam queue everything for you. It's one of the fastest ways to get multiple games ready on your PC without manually handling each download separately. If this video helped, please go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.